The culture within the CESS community is very collaborative and very supportive. Everyone's committed to each other and committed to making sure everyone's being the best teachers that they can.
I really valued that CESS was a very small group, and specifically in the social work major, they focused a lot on the strengths that you bring to the table, and they expand on them.
I chose the College of Education and Social Services at UVM because the small student-to-teacher ratios allowed me to really get to know my faculty up close and personal, and it allowed them to get to know me.
They all just seemed to have a genuine respect and dedication to the students that they were teaching, and just eager to train the best teachers that they could.
UVM was the first place I toured, and immediately when I stepped onto this campus, I told my parents this is where I'm going to go.
There's so much to enjoy about this campus and about Burlington.
It has a lot of things to do, especially if you're somebody who loves the outdoors. I hike a ton around here.
I love to go skiing in the area.
I was just blown away by the natural beauty.
Prospective students coming to this program at UVM should be ready for a lot of in-field experience from almost the moment you start, but they should also be aware that it's not overwhelming. You're prepared very well to do it.
In the very first year of college, I got the opportunity to intern at the King Street Children's Center. In my senior year, I interned at the Sarah Holbrook Center, which is a really great after-school program that focuses on social development.
I have an internship right now at the Pride Center of Vermont. It's taught me a lot, not only about the work I want to do, but also about myself.
I worked with a wonderful mentor teacher and a class of 20 second graders. I really just felt like I was coming into my own as a teacher and really having a chance to hone in on those skills that we learned in the classroom and that professors have talked about.
South Burlington High School has been amazing. The resources available are incredible. It's been great having technology in the classroom. The things that they're doing are so cutting edge and has made this an amazing experience.
We can take as many classes as we want, but it's really important to get that hands-on practice and put your research and everything that you're learning in class really to practice. I've done research with another faculty member. We're writing 2 papers to publish. So that's been an extremely rewarding experience. We're kind of colleagues instead of advisor-student.
The fact that I would have this student teaching experience inside a classroom by the time I graduate undergrad was kind of the deal maker for me, because that's when you actually are with the student and are really part of it, and it's amazing.
You meet so many people that help you when it comes to networking to getting a job. I get 1 student teacher a semester now from the University of Vermont.
My UVM experience has made me ready for the future in terms of giving me real experiences as to what it's like to work day to day in this field.
It's a great program if you want specifically to become the best teacher you can be.
I couldn't have stumbled upon a greater program in a better institution that fits me so perfectly. My long-term goal is to really be a big part of social change, social justice, and I think that this program gives people the confidence that they need to really do that.
And that's really all you can ask for from a university, is to help you figure out who you are and what you want to do. That's the most important thing, is to find a community to support you, and you will be successful.
There is an internal passion and reason why you chose CESS, so follow that and let that guide you.